Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to use the report to assess the similarity score from Turnitin. You can see here the front page of an essay, which is the report from the system. Clicking on the similarity score there, you can see it's 31, so it's higher than we would like. But beware, don't just go by this percentage score. You can be deceived. If you look down, you see that first one, number 1 in the list here, is basically the front sheet for the essay, and includes part of the essay question. So we might think we can take 10% off that and reduce this down to 21%. However, if you were just playing that game and you didn't scroll down further, you would have missed this, which, although it's attempts at using a quote, actually when you start to look at it, looks more and more like cut and paste. And this is the problem. Turnitin will pick up the similarities where it's seen something before, and it might say, oh, this bit, if I click on it, only has 2% similarity. Doesn't seem like a great deal, but you may find that you've got a whole paragraph that's simply copied and pasted and put into a piece of work. So always scroll down, having opened up the report, and see what's going on inside. Now this is going to change this to another essay and show you other problems that can crop up. Again, go over to the similarity score where it's got the red box, click it, open up, and you can click on any of these to see where they've come from. Now this essay, as you can see, it's only got a similarity score of 13%. So you would have presumed that this had a clean bill of health. And a large part of it, as you can see from the highlighting, is from the front sheet that we use in college. However, in this instance, most of the score is coming from the referencing section. But when we investigated these references, we found that most of the claimed information that should have been within them simply didn't match up with what was being put into the essay. There was a mismatch, which made us very suspicious about that an essay mill may have been used. So the moral of the tale is always open the report, always scroll all the way through it to check to see whether you've got similarity. And remember, if you do click on the side here, and it brings up this box, if we don't have the information already within the college, we can request it from other colleges simply by clicking on the arrow and following the instructions. It's only provided as a courtesy. The other colleges don't have to provide us with access to their work, but in my experience, most colleges do because they also want to stamp out cheating.